One! Fire one!
Sailing ship Columbia. You could also go on the Mark Twain Riverboat. That's closed right now. But we're coming in and we're doing the sailing ship Columbia. Alright, we gotta get into this loading area. The sailing ship Columbus, or Columbia, I mean, is on its way with the Sousa lady in the front. Slowly making its way. Docking is one of my favorite things to do at Disneyland. The difference between this one and Mark Twain is we need to go upstairs to load in this one. Oh man, I have to go like 7 stairs. Oh, my knees.
Very important out of rules for you to follow. Rule number 1, please do not play touch or lean on that flag that is on the front right hand side of the boat. Once again, please do not play touch or lean on that flag.
We're on the ship. Sailing ship Columbia. Man, that's cool. We even got cannons up in here. On the back end, they have the Betsy. What's it, Betsy Ross flag? 13 stars. What's that, Betsy? Something Betsy. Got the masts. Got some water pumps. Right here. Ropes. There are a lot of things up here. A lot of ropes everywhere. A lot of ropes. There's a bell over here. I'm gonna ring it.
Now look lively, mates, for we are sailing with the tide, and the tide
here's
waits
a North
for
Star.
no one.
Oh, it doesn't turn. Life jackets.
Mish, ahí te vas a ir?
Oh, it's louder than I thought.
Ten, Mish. Tómame una foto de ella.
There's a downstairs here. Not a lot of people go to it. It says, "Mind thy head." Luckily, I've never had a problem with that.
Okay, take your time, Tom. Hey.
No, there is an underground here. It has some hay, some things to trade and barter system. How are you guys liking it down here? This is a cool area. This is where the peasants stay. This is Bosun's chair right here. Maybe Bo's the son. I don't know. Some pegs where they hang their bags, sack of potatoes. It says the smoking lamp is out. There's the stairs over there. This is where we came down in, but a lot of people stay on the top because they want to see the view of the outside. There's a different view from the inside. Oh look, it's a flying fish, piranha looking thing. This is a compass binnacle. Scuttlebutt. What? Scuttle? And here's some, oh, mate's cabin. You can see where they live. Oh man, this is like a small bed. How long would you guys think you could live down here for? This is like the whole room. There's a candle, there's a mirror, a face cloth, some things to hang your jackets up there, and a small bed. A couple drawers down there. How long you could live down here in the seas. Here's another one. Has some alcohol in it actually. This guy's a tool. This guy looks like he was a tool guy. Tim, the tool man sailor, right? Am I right? Yeah, these rooms are pretty small. Here's the kitchen. Oh, look how small the kitchen is. Just got it's 4 plates wide. That's how long the kitchen is. But then again, these were people, oh, we're moving. But then again, these were like the people who were like just peasants, trying to keep the people on the top, stomachs full. They have, look at this, this is where all the kings eat, look like, or the captain eats. Here's a map of the United something. I don't know. It looks like United States, but also looks like it was cut off here too.
and are old.
And more small beds. Oh, this one has a personal bathroom in it. Lucky. And here's where they did the food over here. This is like where they get some heat. Oh, there's the upstairs. You don't want people spitting down here. Oh, this is a bunk bed. Someone sound like they hit their head up there. Drawers, life jackets, a lot of things that you can see down here. Oh, swords. There's swords right here. Can I? It's past the rope, so I don't know if I could really reach, but oh, I touched it. Let's see what's on this side. There's a lot of chests. Maybe it's pirates' chests. Here's a closet. This one has like ropes and everything. Pulleys. Okay. Oh, this is like, I don't know what this is. It's like heat. It's with heat. And then there's some more bunk beds right here. Oh man, I wouldn't want to live here for more than 20 minutes. Oh, here's an anchor. Here's the anchor that they throw over to keep the ship still. Or maybe just the tracks that they use. I'm pretty sure they use tracks to keep. And oh no, I shouldn't ruin the magic. You can see Tom Sawyer Island over here. Ooh, ring the bell. Ring your bell.
Fire one! The sea.
Look at this pulley system, must be really strong. All these ropes keeping this boat
They
together.
sometimes lie in wait to attack a passing ship such as ours.
Oh, you can see some pirates on this island over here. I saw some running over there before.
And the starboard forecastle cannon and prepare
Now
to
they're
fire
up
a
here.
warning shot. So as any curious
Oh, no.
pirates hiding near
Oh,
the
no,
shore
they're about to.
will know we are well armed. Those of you round the cannon
gonna shoot
best
the
be
cannon.
stepping back.
They're about to shoot the
way
cannon.
back. For the cannon she be a mite loud, and the gunner's aim be a mite poor.
Cover
Be
your
ready
ears.
to fire one! Fire one!
Oh, that was loud.
Now, that should put some fear in them. Looks like we're safe for now. But I ask all crew and passengers to keep a weather eye out.
There's the
We
shell.
don't want
She's
the
holding the
Jolly
shell.
Roger flying above this fine ship.
Oh man, that would always scare me every time. Because it would remind me of, you know, the place, the hood. There's an anchor down there. There's a beaver over there.
When we
Gully-
travel this far
gully
up,
wumper.
our ship often
It's a
draws
gully
the
wumper.
attention of the local tribes. Look there.
I wonder if they
the
gully
chief is
wump
giving
in
us
there.
a sign of peace,
They gully
which means
wump
we will
inside,
be
if you
granted
know what I mean.
safe passage.
Funny looking deer. Mike Fink, king of the river. Oh, there's a guy up there talking.
Has set up camp by the river. Since they have no written language,
Oh, there's a
tribal
moose.
leaders like that wise shaman on the bluff over there pass down their wisdom and
Oh,
knowledge
their
through
feet are in
stories
the
and
thing,
songs.
are in the water.
During our
see the
voyages, we sometimes
moose
stop
knuckles.
to barter and trade with these local tribes.
All together. Because that would totally never happen.
Shipmates, if you haven't done so, it is a good time to visit the crew's quarters below decks to see how sailors of the 1790s lived and worked while on the high seas. The lower decks will be closing when we enter port. Those of you remaining on deck, keep a close eye on the riverbanks, where you may be able to see moose, elk, and other wildlife.
This is the part that's in the middle, right? Yeah, I've never gone on it. Well, it's a bit easier when you're not going directly one after another.
Yeah.
Off the starboard are the last remains of an old shipwreck, rumored to carry a fortune in pirates' gold. It lies
About
in
to dock
Smuggler's
again?
Cove, a place
Almost
of
done.
dark and day. And aloft,
They said
into
all
the
hands on deck.
footropes. Furl the
My
top
hands done been
gallants.
on my. Oh,
Down with the flying jib. Make ready the bow anchor. Stand by all lines.
I feel like they're just saying phrases.
Stand by the bow line, port side. Let go the bow anchor. Let go the kedge. Crew, it's been a pleasure serving with you aboard the sailing
We're
ship
about to dock near the stairs again.
the first ship to carry the stars and
Here's the cannon that popped off earlier when we first started. See, look, you can see the small boat there. All the ducks down here. And the pirates on Tom Sawyer Island. Here's the front side. And there's the lady with the susu in the front. Leading the way. I call her Susanna. She guided us all the way around in the circle. Oh look, there's the here's the canoes. The canoes right here. They're using their hands, and here we are just chilling on our deck. These guys. All right, here it is. And, you know, they ring the bell because it's part of the ship. And then there's people that also go to Disneyland and get annoyed, like, oh, how dare they make noise at Disneyland? It's a ship and it's a bell for fun. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Now it's to calm down off the ship. Step off. We have to go down the stairs. Mind thy head, mind thy gap. And we're out. That was the whole ride. Sailing ship Columbia. Next time, we could do the Mark Twain.